What up, Gym Rats? Let's go for a ride, man. I gotta get my watch time up. So, we headed to the gym. I'm gonna start me a little vlog whenever I head to the gym. So, see where my head's at. Make sure this garage door goes down before we drive off. We're just gonna chat it up. We're gonna chop it up. All right. The house is secure. Pull off. See what we got going on today. What up, Gym Rats? Hope y'all getting to work out today. Today I plan on doing a little chest action. Yesterday I did bis and tris, which I don't usually train arms, but I'm gonna try something, man. I'm gonna try to really blow my arms up, give me some 20s, give me some dubs on my arms. I always had big arms, but I think I can pump them up to exponentially super duper high levels. Around through the neighborhood, I always gotta watch out for these little kids. These little kids be out here in the streets, so do about 10, 15 through the neighborhood. Then we're gonna open it up. Yes, sir. Man, it feels good today. Can't believe it's almost December 1st. Feels like beginning of fall. It's almost wintertime out here in these streets, man. Anyway, we at the end of the subdivision. We're about to get on the road, man. Head to the gym. Hope it's not too crowded. Usually on Sunday afternoon, it's pretty light. Most people know. Just trying to work off that turkey, you know what I'm talking about. I watch a little football. Anyway, hope I get in some clips from working out. You know, I really don't like filming. There's a lot of people in there. People get a little iffy when they see you break the camera out. Which is weird because we're so accustomed to everybody having their phones out, you know. Still, something about recording yourself is just a little sketchy, you know. Anyway, as far as my goals for the gym this year, man, I really fell off. If you didn't know, my goal started at 200 and wanted to get up to 215 almost at the end of the year. And man, I'm at the same place where I started off at. But I really shouldn't say that. My weight is the same. It's yellow light. Alright, so my weight is still at 200, but actually it fluctuates depending on if I eat or not. But I guess I shouldn't say I've been the same. I've actually gotten a lot stronger, and I've overcome a lot of injuries that's been holding me back as far as training intensity, so that's good. And I know what my problem is, so I just gotta fix it. So that should be simple, right? You know what your weaknesses are, so you should be able to just fix that. Easier said than done. As far as me, I got green light. Let's ride. As far as me trying to bulk up, I don't really have an appetite. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, sheesh, I get full quick. And one more thing. Man, I got some bad teeth. I've been really putting it off as far as getting my dental work done. But it's really a pain in the shoulder to chew a lot of times. As far as like steak, you know, any kind of beef, man, chewing is a chore. So I really have to eat a lot of soft type foods, you know, a lot of rice, potatoes, that type of thing, because I can't sit and chew anything hard. Alright, let's make this turn, baby. Yes, sir. So I got a few gyms I go to. This one I'm going to now is the closest one to my house. Gonna go here. I think I left a piece of equipment up here, so I'm going right up here and see if it's still here. Hopefully it is. If not, charge it to the game. I shouldn't have left it. Anyway, so yeah, man. Oh, before I forget, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Really gonna push this year to get my channel up. Want to try to help some people because YouTube has been a real big help to me, man. I really don't even watch TV like that anymore. If I didn't have to have it, man, I really wouldn't watch TV. As far as TV, I watch a lot of my old shows that I just rewatch the old shows. I'm a big sci-fi buff, so I watch stuff like Stargate, X-Files, Lost, any of that type of stuff. Anime, I'm all in on that. Right now I'm going through the series Fringe. That's an old one there if anybody know about science fiction. Really, really good. I'm almost to the end of it, then I gotta find something else to watch. I think we went up to 5 seasons. I'm close to the end of the 4th season. So we got one more season left to watch on that one. Got a yellow light coming up, red light, and stop. And if I remember correctly, I think the last season was like really short. They probably ran out of money because, man, it really started getting weird. It started off really strong. The first 2 seasons were amazing. 3rd season got a little soft, and the 4th season, it's like, man, I can see why they decided to go ahead and wrap it up. I guess they ran out of story ideas. Actually, they probably had one main idea, and then they just tried to stretch it out as long as they could, which is smart because I think you get like 5 seasons or 100 episodes, you get in syndication and get a lot more money on the back end. So can't fault anybody for trying to get that money, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, about to get this green light. We're about to ride. Dang, man, I forgot to get me an energy drink. Oh, what kind of review y'all want to want me to do next, man? Protein, pre-workout, BCAAs, amino acids. I'll try anything, man. I'm like, whatever can give me that edge, I'm all in on it, man. I'll take it. Whatever I can get to give me that edge. This car is trying to race me, man. I'll let me have that. I ain't got time to do no speed tickets, you know what I'm talking about? But I got a protein review up, so you guys go check that out. I'm all about that Center 6 right now. I do go back and forth on a few different ones, but the Center 6 has really been working good for me, so I'm gonna stick with that. Plus it's affordable, won't break the bank, so that's good. Anyway, somebody down here in this comment section drop me some questions, man. I want to do a Q&A. Need some ideas for a Q&A. Kind of stuff y'all want me to talk about while I'm vlogging, while I'm riding to the gym. Yeah, I need a good name for this series. How about Ride Along? Shooting the shit. You gotta cuss at the end of these things because you don't want to get demonetized. Even though I ain't getting no money off these videos, YouTube getting all that. What's a good name for this vlog? Ride with Diesel. Gym time, ride time, gym time, talk time. Yeah, no, that's lame. I don't like that. Oh man, actually, my gym moved from this one spot we about to pass. I guess the rent got too high, and every time I ride past, I look over to my right because it's empty. I'd be like, who gonna get that spot? Crazy thing is they move like 2 minutes down the road, and then they get ready to move again because they're gonna build a brand new gym. Can't wait for that to open up, and it's gonna be a little bit further down the road. So super convenient. Yes sir, yes sir. Almost at another red light. Believe it or not, guys, we're almost at the gym. Work up this chest. Crazy thing is, man, I'm getting so strong, but I'm not making gains at the same time. It's weird because I've been fighting this 225 for as long as I've been lifting. It's just like that thing. It's just you gotta get past it. You know, that fear, that plateau that you think you're gonna hurt yourself. That 225. I've been playing with it. Finally hit it, and I'm not scared of it anymore. Now I gotta go past. So 225 conquered. I think the next step after 225 be that with 275. That's 2 plates, 2 quarters on each side. Let y'all know when I hit that. Putting up in the gym. I don't know what y'all doing. Oh my goodness. I don't see but one vehicle in the parking lot. So it's possible that may be only one person up in the gym. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes sir. All right. Here we are at the gym. I made it. Time to go ahead and get these gains. Put my hood on like some kind of, serious person. All right, guys. Like I said, if you made it this far, hit that like button, subscribe, drop me some Q&As down in the comment section, and let's get it. Yeah.